Okay, this is chapter 12, lesson 1, okay? It says collect and record data, okay? And here it is. The data is collected information or facts. Kind of like when you see a weather chart that tells you how much rain we might be getting throughout the week. Oops. So data is collected information or facts. Okay. One way to collect data is by taking a survey. We did that this week, this year. Or you ask a question. For example, if I told you, raise your hand if you like pizza, then I would count all those. Okay. And then if I said, raise your hand if you like cauliflower, that's a vegetable. You? No? Oh, I don't. Okay. One way to collect data is by taking a survey or asking a lot of people a question. Okay. A frequency table or tally chart will help you record the data you collect. And it should look something like this. Look at the example that they give you. Mr. Alvarez surveyed his scout troop. Mr. Alvarez surveyed his scout troop. He asked each of his troop this question: what is your favorite camping activity? Okay, the results are shown. So look, here are the results. Red. Okay, how many people did swimming? How many people did swimming? 5. 5 people did swimming. How many did hiking? 4. 4 people did hiking. And how many did fishing? 3. Okay. The results are shown. Okay. Organize the data to complete the table. So this is what they did. And they did a tally chart. Again, how many were swimming? 5. How many were hiking? 4. And then how many were fishing? 3. So then they transferred this information and they did a frequency chart. Okay. So we had fishing, hiking, and swimming. We'll make it bigger than that. That's fine. Swimming. So I'm going to write swimming here. And how many were swimming? 5. How many were hiking? 4. And how many were fishing? 3. So then based on the data, you're going to ask some questions. Now look at the question at the bottom. It says, write one sentence about the data that was recorded. So what can you tell me based on the data that was recorded? Make a statement. What could you tell me? Based on this right here. What could you tell me about that? Which activity did most of the students like? Swimming. So you could say swimming was the most frequent activity at camp. Okay, what was the least frequent activity? Fishing. So something like this. Okay, a example could be more scouts enjoy swimming. More scouts enjoy swimming more than any other activity. Could be a possibility. Okay, or you could say the least activity enjoyed by scouts was fishing.
Collect and organize data. Ms. Alvarez asked each of her students, what is your favorite after-school activity? The results are shown. Look at the data Ms. Alvarez collected and organize it in a tally chart and a frequency table. These 3 steps will help us make a tally chart. Step 1. Draw a table with 2 columns. Include a title. Add the title, Favorite After-School Activities. Step 2. List each activity in the first column. The students mentioned 3 favorite after-school activities: playing a sport, reading, watching TV. Step 3. Use tally marks or numbers to record the results. Since we're making a tally chart, we'll use tally marks to record the results. Each tally mark represents a student. How many students said playing a sport is their favorite after-school activity? 5. So we'll draw 5 tally marks on the table. How many students said reading is their favorite after-school activity? 4. How many students said watching TV is their favorite after-school activity? 3. Now let's use the data Ms. Alvarez collected to make a frequency table. We'll use the same 3 steps to make a frequency table. Step 1. Draw a table with 2 columns. Include a title. Add the title, Favorite After-School Activities. Step 2. List each activity in the first column: playing a sport, reading, watching TV. Step 3. Use tally marks or numbers to record the results. Numbers are used to record the results on a frequency table. 5 students said playing a sport is their favorite after-school activity. 4 students said reading is their favorite after-school activity. 3 students said watching TV is their favorite after-school activity.
You want the next page? So here's an example. Survey your classmates. Record the results. Okay. Write a survey question to ask your classmates. An example is shown. Which type of lunch is your favorite? So that's the question. Which type of lunch is your favorite? What are the choices that we have? So what are the 4 choices? I'm gonna put GCH for grilled cheese, PB and jelly for the sandwich. What else? Pizza. Okay. And I got more than one. Oh, you know what? Yeah. And then we have spaghetti. Okay. So if I asked you guys, who picked grilled cheese sandwich? Okay, then I just put a tally, which is a 1 like that. Okay. How about peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Okay, I'm gonna leave that one blank. Okay. How about pizza? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was 6, 7, 8. So we said 1 was for grilled cheese was 1. For Peanut butter and jelly was 0. For pizza was 19. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. And then the spaghetti. Spaghetti for lunch. You can only vote once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a tally chart. If you did a frequency chart, instead of tallies, what am I going to write? Numbers. So this would be 1. That would be 19. And this would be 5. Okay. And it says write one sentence that describes the survey. Bob, what would you say about the survey? That what? Yeah. So that pizza was the most popular choice for lunch out of all the other choices. Perfect. Okay. Go ahead and do number 1 for me. So Aubrey, what should we have right here in the first column? Basketball. Okay. Baseball. Okay. That's B for football. Yes. Hockey. Now, am I writing numbers or tallies? Just tallies. So how many for basketball? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many for baseball? And how do I write that? So 4 lines first, and then a slash makes it 5, and then 1 more makes it 6. Okay. And then 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then hockey was 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So based on that, which is the most popular sport? What is it? Football. Which is the least? There's no volleyball. Okay, which was the least popular? Basketball, because that only has 3. Okay, should look something like this. See the names, the tallies, and football and basketball were the least favorites. Okay, go on the next page. So I need to write the titles of degrees, right? Yeah. So 70 and 75, those are the temperatures. 76 to 80, 81 to 85, and 86 to 90. Am I doing this? No. And then say tally, it says a frequency. So I actually need the actual numbers, right? So how many days were in 70, 75? 2. 76 and 80? And then 81 and 85? And then 86 to 90? 1. So it should look something like this. Okay. This one's a little different. Let's do this one together. Let's do this one together. Okay. So we're talking about flavors of milk. So what flavors of milk are there? So let's see, strawberry. I'm just going to put SB for strawberry. Chocolate, CH, and then white milk, right? Calories or frequencies? So I just need the actual numbers. So let's highlight. Let's see, I have one strawberry, another strawberry, strawberry, that's 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoops. 5. Is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So I got 6 of them. And how many chocolates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chocolates. And how many whites? How many whites again? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 whites. And they said, well, that's it for that one. And I want you to look at, says use the tally chart, which is this, to answer the questions below. All right. So it looks like we have eraser, bottle glue, pencil, and scissors. Which item was the top seller? Hoagin, which one's the top seller? Answer the question. Which one's the top seller? Which item was sold the most? Eraser, bottle glue, pencil, or scissors? Pencil. Because that was sold for 8 items. Pencil. Okay. Which item was sold once? Everybody? Scissors. Sorry about that. And then how many items were sold altogether? What do I need to do? What does altogether mean? To add or multiply, but in this case, add. So let's see, 5 erasers, 8 pencils, and 1 scissor. 5 and 8 is 13, plus 1 more is 14. So how many items were sold? 14 items. And it looks something like this. Voila. Were there any items sold for the bottle glue? No.